tuke ni riwruok matayo tuke mag adhula e pacho ka FKF ochopo winjruok gi klepe mag lig maduong ni kochopo tarik 31 dwe mar abich gani to lig ma pacho kae onego bed ni oserumo. Okang' ma kama en mar chiwo thuolo ne jotugo mibiro yiere Harambee Stars mar ikruok ne tuke mag CHAN madhi timore dwe mar 8 e piny mar Kenya, Uganda gi Tanzania. E romo gi jotend klepe go, jakom FKF Hussein Mohamed olero ni Kenya kaka weg pacho ka nyaka bed gi dweche 3 mag ikruok ne tugo no endo. Kenya oketi e group A kod Morocco, DR Congo, Zambia kod Angola.
I know we've had a lot of challenges over the last couple of years. The clubs have been struggling on matters sponsorship, on matters to do with officiating of the games. Lately, we've also seen a lot of issues around hooliganism, and I would just like to give the confidence to the general public that we have had a very good meeting, and this is our commitment from the Federation and my personal commitment from myself and the team that we will hold each other's hand and support each other until we succeed.
I want to say that as Premier League clubs, we are happy for this meeting that took place today at Kandanda House, and these are the issues that the President has promised us that they will take care of them. Hooliganism, the same, we discussed about it because that is the only way we can bring more sponsors on board. As you know, we only have Azam as a sponsor for this Premier League club, and with the new office coming in, we need to bring more sponsors. So when we work on hooliganism as a clubs, we are also advised that we need to have some civic kind of education to our fans.